Good morning, class. Today we're going to work on run-on sentences. Let's first talk about what a run-on is, and we have talked about this a little bit in class. A run-on sentence combines two or more independent clauses incorrectly. Now we have two ways to fix a run-on sentence. You can either write them into two separate sentences, or if you want to put them together, remember last week we talked about subordinating conjunctions? You can use those words like and, or, but you have to use a comma as well. Okay, let's take a look at a few examples here. The first one is, we have a new car, it is bright red. This is a run-on sentence. Can you hear where I paused? That's telling me these are two separate sentences. We have a new car, it is bright red. Now, we could put a period after car and then capitalize the I in it. We have a new car, period. Start a new sentence. It is bright red, period. To make it into two sentences. If you don't want to make it into two sentences and you want to combine them together, you can use that subordinating conjunction, but you need a comma there. Let's look at the second one. I must hurry up, the store will close shortly. I must hurry up, the store will close shortly. Those are two separate sentences. Let's put them together this time. I must hurry up, comma, and then you're going to add that subordinating conjunction. To me, the word because makes sense here. Okay. So let's read the new sentence. This is one sentence. I must hurry up, comma, because the store will close shortly, period. Okay. Let's try that again with the next example. The dog ran to meet its owner. It was happy to see him. Here is where my two sentences separate. The dog ran to meet its owner, and it was happy to see him. Let's put these together. The dog ran to meet its owner, comma, and I'm going to use the word and this time. The dog ran to meet its owner, comma, and it was happy to see him, period. So make sure you're getting that comma in there. Take a look at the activity that you're going to work on next. Okay. This reminds you above what a run-on sentence is. Then there are three mistakes that you might see in the sentences below. The first one is it may be missing a coordinating conjunction and a comma. The second one says it may include a comma, but it does not include a coordinating conjunction or a connecting word. So it does not have that connecting word. And the last one says it may include a comma and a coordinating conjunction, but it has too many independent clauses. Okay. So when you read the sentence below, you're going to write a C if the sentence is written correctly. You're going to write if it's a run-on sentence, all you have to do is put a number 1, a number 2, or a number 3 to see what kind of run-on sentence is. Let's do a couple together. We tried to catch the mouse, it got away. Oh, I see a comma, but what are we missing here? We're missing that connecting word, but. We tried to catch the mouse, but it got away. So if I look up top at 1, 2, and 3, I'm going to pick number 2. It may include a comma, which it did, but it doesn't have the connecting word. So all I have to do is put a 2 on the line. Let's do the next one together. The student was shy and did not make friends quickly. Oh, well, I see the word and in there. The student was shy and did not make friends quickly, but where's my comma? Since it doesn't have a comma, I look up top at number 1. Number 1 says it may be missing a coordinating conjunction and a comma. Well, this time it had the conjunction, but it didn't have the comma. Okay? Please continue with the activity.